T-Mobile offers two primary ways to check your bill on your phone: the T-Mobile app and the mobile web. The T-Mobile app for iOS and Android provides a streamlined experience with biometric login using Face ID or fingerprint. It includes interactive usage graphs, payment reminders, and in-app payment options like credit card, PayPal, and installment plans. The mobile web, accessed via your phone's browser at m.tmobile.com or tmobile.com, offers similar functionality. It includes one-click login if linked to your app account and requires no download. Both options allow you to view itemized charges for service plans, data usage, taxes, fees, and add-ons. Choose the app for a richer, more integrated experience, or the mobile web for quick access without downloading anything. To check your bill via the T-Mobile app, open the app and log in using your T-Mobile ID or biometric login. Navigate to the Bill section on the home screen or menu. Review your current bill summary, including amount due and due date. Tap the bill to view detailed charges, payment history, and download PDF. To check your bill via mobile web, open your browser and go to m.tmobile.com. Log in with your T-Mobile ID and password. Find the Bill or Account section. View your bill summary and click to see details and download PDF. Ensure your app is updated for the best experience and security.